Anne of Green Gables. 루시 모드 몽고메리. Chapter 4. More Trouble for Anne, Part 1. I think I will ask the new vicar, Mr. Allen, and his wife to tea on Wednesday, said Marilla one day. Oh yes, please do, cried Anne excitedly. Mrs. Allen is young and beautiful, and has a very sweet smile. Can I make a cake for tea? Say yes, Marilla. Marilla agreed, and for the next few days, Anne planned what she would put in a cake. I do hope it's going to be a good one, she told Diana. Sometimes I forget to put in the right things. You made a very good one last week, said her friend. I'm sure it will be all right. On Wednesday, the tea party started very well. This is a very good cake, Miss Cuthbert. Mrs. Allen said to Marilla, You have been busy. Anne made this one special for you, Mrs. Allen, replied Marilla. Well, I must try some, laughed the vicar's wife. But after the first mouthful, there was a very strange look on her face. Is anything wrong? Asked Marilla. She ate a piece of Anne's cake herself. Oh, Anne, what have you put in this cake? She cried. Isn't it all right? Asked Anne, her face red. All right? It's horrible. Don't try to eat any more, Mrs. Allen. Anne, you put my medicine in this cake. Oh, I didn't know. It was white and in a bottle. I thought it was milk, sobbed Anne. She ran upstairs and fell on her bed, crying loudly. But later that evening, when Mr. and Mrs. Allen went home, Marilla came to talk to her. Oh, Marilla, cried Anne. Everybody in Evelyn will laugh at me for putting medicine in a cake. Marilla smiled and touched Anne's face. No, they won't, Anne. Mrs. Allen wasn't angry, you know. She said it was very kind of you to make her a cake, and she's asked you to tea at her house. Oh, so she's forgiven me. She's nice, isn't she? Said Anne thankfully. Why do I get into trouble like this? Perhaps I won't make any mistakes tomorrow. Marilla shook her head, still smiling. You will think of something, Anne. You're very good at making mistakes.